Hello. So it's wonderful day to begin, and I want to tell you about our tour. We have been to Sultans of Oman for my Sri Lankan kitchen festival. We had a lovely feedback from there. So I just want to tell you some nice experience what we had there during time to time. And there's a small video. You can see that video, and you can comment us on our Facebook and even Chef Duminda.lk. Actually, it's a very nice program. That's not only Sri Lankans, we get a lot of contribution from all communities actually.
لأي أجهزة إلكترونية أثناء الإقلاع والهبوط للمزيد من الاهتمام.
Jaya dada banda Siriduwa kanda Jaya dada banda Siriduwa kanda Rupusen oda teda sinda Hada aravinda Kara sirinanda Hada aravinda Kara sirinanda Paragati sita gata binda Paragati sita gata binda.
In my tour, I got a big help from Sri Lankan staff who lived in Crown Plaza. Actually, I want to tell you the main sponsors are Crown Plaza Salala and Qatar Airways. They gave us a tremendous sponsorship to bring this Sri Lankan food festival in Oman. Actually, this was the first Sri Lankan food festival in Salala. Most important and valuable part is our Sri Lankan ambassador, His Excellency Mr. Asoka Girihagama, came to open the event. It was a unique boost to our My Sri Lankan Kitchen Food Festival, and it was, you know, it's something we achieved something, and we something like we keep something landmark in Salala like that. So I really appreciate Mr. Asoka Girihagama's present and to make as a real Sri Lankan event. Some of spices and ingredients we bought out from Sri Lanka also, and I got a special discount for my luggages, and also that's very valuable. And it's not actually my event. I think it's a event of our all Sri Lankan unity. The people who lived in Doha and Salala helped me a lot, and especially they came to see me and they talked to me, and actually they are very impressed about what I do, and not only me, my team do, and we have such a wonderful team.
Netu kandiluna Situel banduna Netu kandiluna Situel banduna Jaya mangalagi gayuna Jaya mangalagi gayuna.
So one time we had a real experience. I was going to Marriott Dubai, and some of my fans were there, and they came to me and talked to me, and they were sharing our ideas of how to develop Sri Lankan cooking and take out of the country. and these are the most valuable experience. And when it's come to the show, I got a big help from Sri Lankan team who worked in Salala at Crown Plaza. I might have to mention Chef Mario and all the guys, more than 6-7 Sri Lankan guys who were working there. They helped me a lot, and I must thank the executive chef. He's an Indian, but he's really interested about Sri Lankan food and Sri Lankan food culture.
අපි ඔක්කොම රජවරු ඔක්කොම වැසියෝ තුන් සිංහලයම නෑ අපි ඔක්කොම පියවරු ඔක්කොම මව්වරු තුන් සිංහලයම දූ දරුවෝ තුන් සිංහලයම
Can you tell me what do you think of Sri Lankan festival?
Sri Lankan festival, oh, very nice. This first time I saw something special in Salala.
You have coconut. This coconut, Syrian coconut.
This Syrian packet, 90 kg.
So we prepared like 7-8 action stations every day. Every day we got kottu, hoppers, steamed fish, and some rice and some curries are preparing at the live counter. Even the rice, cutlets, vade, all this stuff.
90 kg.
I want everyone to join with us and take a part in this Sri Lankan event, and I'm so happy to see your help. Without your help, I won't make it out in this whole program success. So I must tell you at last, Limall, they are the local sponsors for this event. They have given a tremendous backup for me. And so enjoy my tour to Oman, and you can share these videos with your friends and tell them what we do. This is what exactly we want to show. As Sri Lankan, I do all these things along. We want to bring some Sri Lankan identification in this world.